Hey everyone, welcome back to the DelphStack Tech Tutorials. I will show you how to create a Discord server template link. What you're going to do is go to your main server, click on this, and then go to the server settings. After clicking on this, you have to click on server template. Now you have to generate a template title here, for example, just like the example they've given us, artist community. You can also add a little description here, like show your art here. Then you can click on Generate Template. After clicking on this, the template link will already be generated. You can copy it from here and send it anywhere you want. You can add whatever members you like through this template link. So this is how you can create a template link for your Discord server. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll catch you in the next video.